Mahilig ka bang manghula kung tataas ba or bababa ang Bitcoin or kung sino yung mananalo sa paborito mong esports? So pag-uusapan natin ngayon itong prediction market platform na gumagawa ngayon na malaking ingay sa Web3. Ito yung Punch. At sobrang solid ng timing natin ngayon, no? Dahil ang daming bagong updates ngayon. In fact, merong silang fresh tournament na nangyayari ngayon na sigurado ako magugustuhan ng mga gamers at traders, no? And gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo guys kung paano nga ba magi-start ng libre, no guys? Yes guys, zero risk ito at walang ilalabas na pera.
Wow!
Alright guys, first things first, ano ba itong Punch? So in simple terms, isa itong prediction market. So kumbaga may isang event na maglalagay ka ng prediction mo kung ano yung mangyayari or yung magiging outcome ng event na yun, no? So kapag tama yung prediction mo, possible mananalo ka dito. Pero guys, hindi ito yung typical na hula-hula lang, no? Ang match prediction dito is naka-base sa real-time events, no? Before guys, kilala yung Punch bilang cross prediction market, no? Pero nag-rebrand sila, naging Punch na yung dating cross predictions. Pero guys, I have a massive update for you. Dito guys, kung hindi ka masyado into crypto, pero gamer ka naman, pwede mo itong i-predict yung kalalabasan ng mga paborito mong tournaments like Dota 2, League of Legends, CSGO, and more, no guys? And kung traditional finance ka naman, interested ka sa stocks, meron din dito, no guys? Ito yung bagong update ng Punch ngayon, no? Itong stocks market, no? So sobrang lawak ng ecosystem ngayon, hindi lang sa crypto and gaming, meron na rin siyang stocks market. Ngayon guys, kung magtatanong kayo paano nga mag-start dito, connect nyo lang yung email nyo. Just connect your wallet using your Google account, no guys. Everyone can do that. So everyone na may Google is makakasali dito, no? And then confirm mo lang, maglagay ka ng PIN code mo. Then that's it guys, connected ka na, no? At pwede ka na mag-predict. So guys, bago ka mag-predict, currently may libreng F2P sila, no? Ano bang ibig sabihin nitong F2P? Free to predict, no guys? May current prediction market competition sila, as we can see here. You get points for free, trade prediction market with them, at earn prizes based on how you finish your season, no? Libre pumasok, walang risk dito. Just sign in your email account, then pwede ka nang makasali dito sa F2P nila, no? Or yung free to predict. May prize pool ito na 3,000 1 tokens. Season 1 pa lang tong F2P na to, no? Pwede pa kayong makasali sa mga susunod pa na season, no guys? So early pa tayo. So dito guys, sa F2P section, don't forget to claim your free points para makapag-predict ka, no guys. Pero guys, paalala lang, itong points na to, hindi siya pwedeng gawin pera, no? Kumbaga sa trading guys, isa itong paper trade money lang, no guys. So isa sa competition, sa mga familiar sa competition dyan, alam nyo naman na pag may competition sa trading, like sa mga prop firms, is paper trade lang yung ginagamit dito, no guys. So pagalingan lang talaga dito. So hindi siya pwedeng ipapalit sa pera, no? Pero once na nag-top 1 ka or nag-champion ka dito, pwede ka manalo ng 3,001 tokens, no guys. And also guys, don't forget the weekly mission, as we can see here. Trade 5 events, 10 and 15 events. And starter mission, first event market trade para makakuha ka ng 5 points. Trade in 3 categories, 5 points din, no guys. And bukod sa free to predict guys, meron din silang referral mission, no guys. Invite your friends to Punch and earn a share of their trading fees, no. Ikaw na nag-refer is makakakuha ka ng 40% of their trading fees, no guys. And bukod doon guys, meron din silang level, no, referral levels. Kung second level ka na, may 10% of their trading fees din, no. Tingnan natin dito sa baba. For example, if someone you invited pay 10 USD tokens in fees or trade, their 10% referral discounts brings it to 9 USD actually paid, no. So makaka-earn ka dito ng 40%, no, or 3.6 USD as their level 1 referrer. So paano nga ba gumawa ng referral code dito? You need at least 10 USD in cumulative trading volume, no? So para makagawa ka ng referral code mo, kailangan mo mag-trade, no? Or makapag-trade ng at least 10 USD trading volume, no guys, as we can see here, para makakreate ka. So kung may trading volume ka na ng 10 USD, no guys, makakagawa ka na ng code mo, no? So your code is unique in punch.win. So 1 per wallet lang siya, no guys. Hindi siya pwedeng dalawang referral code sa isang wallet. So once na nakakagawa ka na ng referral code mo sa isang wallet, hindi na siya pwedeng palitan, no guys. So guys, kung may nag-invite sa inyo, register a friends code, makakakuha ka dito ng 10% discount, no guys. So don't forget your friends referral code, no guys, para makakuha kayo ng 10% discount. Sayang din yon. And you can't register your own code. So hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung sarili mong code as your referral, no guys. So your 10% discount start immediately and applies to trade after you register. And let's check here guys, the events. As usual, itong BTC up and down pa rin yung nangunguna dito. Also guys, meron din tayong esports or League of Legends, no? So kung mahilig kayo sa League of Legends or sa esports, pwede kayong mag-predict din dito, no guys? Soccer, meron din sports. And dito sa baba guys, as we can see here, meron tayong crypto section, BTC up and down 1 minute, 5 minutes, and Ethereum. Meron din cross up and down, no? And bukod sa crypto guys, meron din tayong stocks, no? Ito yung bagong update ng Punch, no? The Nvidia, for example, Apple, SpaceX, Google, Tesla, and more, no guys? To summarize everything guys, so Punch is completely changing the game now, no? May libre din silang pa-competition, no? Which is free. Napakaganda nito sa mga wala pang budget dyan. Pwede kayo yung sumali dito sa pre-prediction or itong F2P event nila, no guys. So may price pool siya ngayon na 3,001 USD, no? And guys, madali rin gumawa ng account dito. Just use your Gmail, no, or your Apple ID. So madali rin mag-fund. Just one click deposit lang, no guys. Pwede mo yung i-claim yung one mo to kickstart your journey. And hindi lang crypto yung nandito, no guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa sports and esports, meron din dito. Also the stocks, no guys. Kung mahilig ka sa stocks, yung mga stocks trader dyan, meron na rin sa Punch, no. Pwede ka makipag-compete globally, no, hindi lang local. And pwede ka rin kumita dito ng passive, no? Once using their referral system. So guys, that's pretty much it. Kung gusto niyo ma-experience first hand itong Punch.win, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba. And napaka-early pa nito, no guys? Season 1 pa lang tong F2P nila, no? Or yung free to predict competition nila, no guys? Napaka-early pa. Pwede pang umabol. And syempre guys, para lagi kayong updated sa nangyayari o yung mga bagong markets ngayon, or mga bagong events, promos, and announcement. So make sure to follow their X account. Inalagay ko na lang din yung link sa baba ng description, na guys, para updated kayo. So minsan guys, nagpapa-giveaway sila doon. So make sure na naka-follow kayo sa kanilang Twitter account, no, or X account. That's it for today's video guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. Kung excited na kayo mag-predict, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below kung ano yung una nyong i-predict. Again, this is Nell and peace out and happy predicting guys.